This luxury shipping container home offers a harmonious blend of indoor and outdoor living, creating a haven where comfort, style and natural beauty converge. This container house has got 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom and an open-plan living space. The house is built using a 40-foot shipping container joined by a well-crafted stick-built structure that accommodates the living space of the house. Through the front door, you enter into a bright interior space beautifully decked out with stylish modern fixtures. From the entrance is a cozy dining area, big enough to sit 4, overlooking the outdoors. Natural light infuses the space through the large glass windows, showcasing the captivating views of the outdoors. From the dining area is a homey living space that invites you to unwind and relax in style. The living room features a comfortable couch and a large smart TV where you can stream all your favorite shows. Adjoining the living area is an immaculately designed kitchen. This single-walled contemporary kitchen features quality appliances at the counter and overhead storage cabinets, a slit window that floods the counter space with natural light, and enough counter space. In addition, the kitchen is equipped with a stacked washer and dryer. Opposite the kitchen is the first bedroom. This bedroom is cozy and well appointed, featuring a cozy twin over a queen bed and a large glass window that extends the bedroom space to the deck. Past the kitchen area is a fully tiled bathroom, fitted out with a shower cubicle, a vanity and a toilet. Off the bathroom is the second bedroom. It features high-quality furnishings, a cozy double bed, and abundance of natural light pouring in via the large glass windows. The hardwood flooring throughout the house creates a warm and welcoming feel. The interior of the house is painted in white, including the cabinetry, making the spaces appear bigger and brighter, creating that illusion of large indoor spaces. This property has an inviting outdoor patio, offering a cozy and comfortable spot to relax and enjoy the fresh air. The grooves of the corrugated container walls are clearly visible throughout the exterior, painted in a shade of gray, emphasizing the industrial style of the design. What do you like about this shipping container home? Kindly give us your opinions by sharing in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we showcase the best of shipping container architecture from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.